Hi, this is Chris, and today we have a 2012 Toyota 86 GT Coupe, stock reference number 4843. This shape runs from the 4th month 2012 and is the current shape. It has an FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a manual, 6-speed, rear-wheel drive transmission. FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, halogen type, right-hand fog light. Front bumper does have a few creases, still may be repairable. Left-hand headlight. Left fog light, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left front door has 2 small dents and light wobbles, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Have a pair of aftermarket tail lights, LED, an aftermarket carbon fibre boot spoiler. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has 3 small dents. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage. And a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black and red cloth interior. Manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter. Heated controls. Left hand sun visor. Courtesy lamp. Interior mirror. Right hand sun visor. Instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise control. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.